Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm out here now outside Bodø testing my new drone. The weather is not the best, but we'll see what I can get. A little bit cloudy, risk of rain. And this is the new drone. It's a DJI Mini 5 Pro and it comes with its own controller with built-in screen and it has a lot of advanced features. So let's see now if we can get it up in the air safely. This is the first flight outdoors. I have been testing it inside the house. And I'm filming in 4K 60 FPS, so that should give smooth video. So if you're watching this, then change the video to 60 FPS. So let's take off then.
Take off. Home point updated.
Yes, it's right in front of a tree, so it detects it right away for the obstacle detection. Okay, let's fly. Yes, so that was it. The first flight. This is a beautiful area. The controller is beeping because it's near some objects.
Landing.